Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Google Fit and sign in with your Google account so data ties to you. Once done, grant activity, location, and sensor permissions so the app can record steps and workouts automatically. This is critical for accurate tracking. Next, enter your profile details, height, weight, birth date, and choose simple daily goals for move minutes and heart points. These first steps let the app start collecting useful metrics right away and tailor feedback to your body. You now focus on capturing activity. Start a workout manually when you begin training, or rely on Google Fit's activity detection for everyday movement. Both give useful timestamps and calories. Make sure to connect compatible wearables and third-party apps to enrich heart rate, sleep, or cycling data. This fills gaps the phone can miss. As you go, adjust activity types and intensity thresholds in settings so steps versus workouts are classified correctly. That makes summaries and trends more meaningful for progress. You finish by reviewing results. Open Timeline and the Heart Point Summary to see daily and weekly trends because consistent review drives better habits. If you need records, export or share data with other apps or a coach to keep everything coordinated. Finally, plan for hiccups. If syncing or device connections fail, make sure permissions are enabled, disconnect and reconnect the device, and perform a manual sync. That quick troubleshooting step usually resolves the most common issues and keeps data flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.